Hi guys, I'm back. Guys, I know we are suffering now, lack of money. So here are another meal for you, easy and very cheap, easy to cook. So I know we are facing now this crisis, but guys, we can get through this. This is a chicken rice soup. This meal is good if you have a fever, hangovers, and not feeling well. And if you don't taste food, this is also I recommend for you to make it. And here are the ingredients. Have onion, garlic. We have a lemongrass. Okay, lemongrass. Ginger. This is our chili, cinnamon, ground black pepper, a heel. We have a bruised cubes, salt, oil, coriander, glutinous rice, chicken. For a rice, so it's a glutinous rice. You can buy glutinous rice in a supermarket, or if you have, just do it. And guys, come and let's do it together. We are time for cutting. Okay, we need to cut this all of our ingredients. It's hard for me, but I need it. It's hard for me to be alone. No one is holding my phone and take me a video. So after I will cut, I will be back. Now I finished cutting for all our ingredients here. Okay, this is finished cutting ingredients. It's our onion. We can put now our oil. Okay, and we add our garlic. This now our garlic is like golden brown, so we can add now our onion. Okay, make sure that your garlic is golden brown. It smells so good. Yeah. It's time to add our ginger. Okay. It's good if you have a lot of ginger to put it, and it's so healthy. It tastes yummy also. Time to put our chicken. And we can add all of our spices. Lemongrass, chili, cinnamon, rosewood seed, with heel and ground black pepper. We need to add some water, just few water, okay? Just few water, and we mix it and leave it for until the water is going down, okay? Before we put again another water and we put our rice. Okay guys, just leave it and cover it. We need to add a few of water, okay? There we are. Ooh, smell good. While we are waiting, we need to dance. Guys, look, it's like creamy, so this is time to add a lot of water. And we wait it until it's boiling. Waiting bago. Isayaw mo. After boiling the water, we can add now our rice. Rice, and leave it. As of now, we need to boil and boil and boil and boil. Okay? We go for dancing while we are waiting, so we not feel boring. See, now our rice is boiling. Sa mga kababayan ko po, lugaw po to sa atin. Pinaano ko lang po. Pinaganda ko lang po yung pangalan. Chicken rice soup. So, Siguro naman namimiss nyo na yung lugaw, so try nyo pong lutuin po yung lugaw natin. Sarap po siya. We are near. Ito po. Sa mga kababayan ko po, ang sarap po nito. Sarap po. Ang bango ng amoy. Smells good, guys. It's like creamy and like bit sticky now. The time that we can add our coriander. Just seconds and we are done. This looks yummy. Okay, we try it. What's that? It's so delicious, yummy, spicy, and it's so yummy. Hope you will like it also.